Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the remote and turning the TV on. Once done, press Home and Open Settings. This places you at the root controls. Make sure you know the model year because menu labels change between generations. This helps you skip steps. Now navigate to General or Support quickly with the arrows. These actions get you to the accessibility area faster, so you can stop the voiceover without hunting through unrelated menus. Navigate into Accessibility. Different models place it under General or Support, so follow the path that matches your TV. Once in Accessibility, locate Voice Guide or Screen Reader. This is the feature that speaks the interface. Select it to reveal toggles for on, off, and adjustments for volume and speech speed. You'll turn it off to stop narration. Alternatively, lower volume if you need partial feedback. Make sure to confirm your choice, so settings persist after you exit the menu. After switching Voice Guide off, back out of Settings and interact with the interface to confirm speech stopped. If narration continues, power cycle the TV, unplug for 30 seconds, then check for a firmware update in Support and install it. If that fails, repair the remote or perform a Smart Hub reset as a last resort because cache settings can force the feature on. One troubleshooting tip: test with a different user profile to rule out account-specific accessibility overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.